Hey guys, I've got some quick updates for you. First is going to be the release time for DLC 2 for World War II. Here are the release times tonight for North America. So in California, it's going to start at 9 p.m. and then all the way over to the East Coast, it's going to be midnight. And here's a quick reference guide for the rest of the world. I realize that's a lot of times, but if you pause it and you can check out your area, yeah, that should be correct. So I've got some really good news for those of you that are going to be hunting the DLC 2 Easter egg. And, for the people that play World War II Zombies still, I had messaged Cameron Dayton and asked him if he had any last words of wisdom for us, before we go out and start hunting. There's been some concern from the community that during capture events, sometimes people uncover some of the Easter egg steps. But he said we made sure nobody even got to step 1 in the preview. So you're all at the starting line together. This is anyone's game. He said, know your history, keep your eyes and ears open. This is where everything changes. So there was a North America capture event where, some of the YouTubers went. There was not a UK capture event. But at this event, yeah, nobody uncovered any of the steps, and it was confirmed by Zombros, and they posted it on Reddit. JC Backfire had said that nobody even figured out how to get to Pack-a-Punch. So there's going to be no tutorials posted, and if there are, it might just be power. Right now, the YouTubers are starting to post the footage that they captured, and yeah, like Greg FPS, he went to the capture event, and he's only posted gameplay and then the intro cutscene, so it appears that they haven't gotten very far with this map. In regards to the Easter egg and any leaked steps, nothing has been leaked, and that is fantastic. I was really worried last week that, something may show up, but it didn't, so this could be a really entertaining Easter egg hunt for the community. It's possible that Sledgehammer is catching on, and they are protecting their information, and this is something that's going to be really vital for Black Ops 4 and, the future of the zombies community. Hopefully, Treyarch can protect their, information as well as Sledgehammer is. I wanted to see what you guys predicted for how fast DLC 2 Easter egg is going to get solved. Final Reich was solved pre-launch, and DLC 1, I think, took about 2 days. The votes are still coming in, but 55% of people think it's going to be solved within 24 hours. One of the developers did talk about the Easter eggs for this map, and they said that the Easter eggs that they put in it are insane and that the fans are going to love it. I know developers like to make big claims, but maybe it's true. Maybe these will be pretty crazy and they will be awesome, and they are stepping it up. Sledgehammer has been really good about paying attention to the community, listening to what they want, and trying to implement those ideas. There's been a couple of things that the community has been going on and on about since Final Reich was released, and that was being able to double Pack-a-Punch and upgrade the Jack-in-the-Boxes. Well, recently, Cameron Dayton responded to someone asking about those two things, and he said, you're not the first to ask. We're running it by our undead weapons experts at the moment. They keep groaning at us. So he's definitely aware of it, and, it's a possibility we could see it on DLC 2. And for those of you that don't play World War II, well, the Easter egg hunt is still something that's going to be, live streamed throughout the community, so I wanted to get you guys up to date with what's going on and, maybe what to expect. Next in the news is more information about Modern Warfare 2 Remastered, and Hyena JD messaged me on Twitter. Apparently they were playing the lobby music to Modern Warfare 2 at the CWL in between matches. Shout out to Dark Alliance for recognizing it, and along with him, the chat was picking up on it as well. I personally do not watch the CWL. I don't know if, MW2 lobby music is something they just, use randomly or not. But a few people in the chat, seem to think that it was something. I'll let you guys listen.
Yeah, they're not going to win all the time, right? I shouldn't say that, but the fact they're not competing with the best, they just got into the top 3. What, last event?
The 4th last event.
Yeah, not even the top 3.
Yeah. Well, if they're going to push it to a game 5, it starts here on Arden Forest Hardpoint. And if you want...
So are they trying to send some subtle hints for things to come? The Amazon Italy site had leaked that April 30th was going to be the release day. And if that's true, that means the reveal day has got to be, obviously between then and now. And I think I've seen people speculate that it was going to be April 17th. We have not heard a peep out of Activision about this leak. And usually we hear something, pretty early. But it's probably because World War II DLC 2 is being released and they don't want anything to interfere with that. So it's possible with DLC 2 coming out tomorrow, they're going to give it a full week and then announce Modern Warfare 2 Remastered. And this is, somewhat believable based on some of the other release events that they're doing next month and how they're spacing those out. Xbox has already announced that DLC 2 for World War II is coming out on May 10th, and the BO4 reveal date is just a week later. So based on this, they're only giving DLC 2 a week to stay alive before the BO4 reveal event, and that is going to completely overshadow that. So if a week is all they're giving it, then yeah, it's possible April 17th is when we may get a Modern Warfare 2 Remastered announcement. It could be later or nothing at all, but I wouldn't say that it would be any earlier than that. Next in the news is about Zombies World Championship for those of you that want to participate in the championship or just watch the competitors. They're going to be doing like Black Ops 1, 2, and 3 zombie challenges, and they did a poll to find out if people wanted Infinite Warfare zombie challenges added. The majority said yes, so it's a possibility that we'll be seeing that. I think that would be really entertaining to see a Mephistopheles boss fight in the mix. For those people that want to sign up, their website is not ready yet, but as of yesterday, they said that it is close. They also announced today that Mr. Raffle Waffles is going to help co-host, so that should be very entertaining. Last in the news is an update about an interview I've got lined up with one of the OG zombie developers from Treyarch. I've been speaking with him, back and forth, and we're trying to get something set up, and he wants to show me some stuff that's really cool, but he is trying to get the approval on that first, so we're just kind of waiting for that. But I'll keep you guys updated on that. He's a super nice guy, so it'll be really exciting to get to hear what he has to say. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.